Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal cell system related question asked in GATE 2003 implementation paper. The question is given h of n is equal to 1, 2, 2. H of n is 1, 2, 2. F of n is obtained by convolving h of n and h of n. G of n is obtained by correlating h of n with the same thing. So RHH. Okay. Which one of the following is true? So first we find convolution and correlation. Convolution, so 1, 2, 2, H, we have to convolve this thing. So take cross multiplication 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Sorry, this is 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. Add it. So y is 1, 4, 8, 8, 4. Similarly, G of n is correlation. Correlation means one sequence you keep as it is, other sequence you take inverse. So 1, 2, okay. Right. This is for that what we have to do is, so for correlation what we have to do is we have to inverse the sequence. So inverse the sequence means we have to find h of minus n. So it will become, the 1 will be here, it is mirror image, so 2, 2, 1. So it is 2, 2, 1. So it is 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4. And this is 1, 1. Now you put table. Okay, G of n, this is the correlation. 2, 6, 9, 5, 1. So you see h of n starts from 0. So y of n starts from 0 for convolution. But here for correlation, h of n starts from 0 to 2. This one, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2. n is equal to 0, right? So it is minus 2 to 0. So the output will be from minus 2 to plus 2, right? So h of n, h of minus n will start from minus 2 to 0. This one go from n is equal to 0 to 2. So correlation output is varying from minus 2 to 0. So it is minus 2, minus 0, minus 1, 0, 2. Yes, perfect. This is the n. So you see g of n is having, g of n is not equal to 0 because n minus 2 it is 2, n minus 1 it is 6. So when you put n is equal to minus 2 it is not equal to 0. That means when impulse response is not equal to 0 it is non-causal. What about the maximum value? 9. So it is, correlation is non-causal and has a maximum value of 9. Correlation is non-causal G of n and it has a maximum value of 9. This is right. Correlation is causal? No, it is longer. F of n has a maximum value of 9. First one, no, f of n is maximum value of 8 only. So first one is wrong answer. F of n is maximum value of 8, but it is not causal. No, it is causal. Why it is causal? Because it is starting from n is equal to 0 only. So it is causal. It is not non-causal. So this is wrong. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.